I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you. And baby, even all the worst nights.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and today's video is going to be on this wig that is a bang. And I'm going to see y'all, but I have been rocking some bang wigs. Some of the wigs that I've already reviewed on my channel, I went ahead and cut some bangs. Child, I've been rocking them. Okay, so the fact that Unice Hair Company has sent me a wig that already had bangs and is colored, I'm very happy. So I was a little bit taken back by the color of this wig. This wig is chocolate brown, 24 inches. It's Yaki straight. I believe 150% density. I believe that's all the details. If I'm missing anything, look down in the description box and that's where everything's going to be, along with the link to this particular wig. So I was taken back by this color when I first saw it because I was like, oh my god, how is this going to look? But now that I have did my makeup and everything, I see the vision. Okay, I really see the vision. I'm in front of lights, so the lighting is a tiny bit off, but you guys, I am loving the browns together. I wouldn't say this is a chocolate brown though, but it is very pretty. And yeah, so when it comes to this texture of the hair, freaking love it. I love a good kinky straight. Now this is Yaki straight, and the only difference between the two is this is how kinky straight looks after flat ironing. So I normally flat iron my kinky straight, especially when going out, because it can be so thick and everything. This, you bypass that. You don't even have to put heat on this. It literally is so pretty as is. I had literally only had to bump the bangs because they were like flat straight, but that's all you have to do. This wig does have a 4x2 lace part like in the middle, which is why, you know, you see this parting just a little bit, maybe like 2 inches right here, and I brightened it up with some concealer. You don't have to do that. That's just a preference that I like to do. But like I said, it is a 4x2, so it is not that big. You guys are probably already looking at it because I showed you guys the construction of this wig, which it comes with, I believe, 2 combs, adjustable straps, an elastic band. It comes with a lot. This wig is so snug on my head, and I like it that way. But I did not have to use advantage of the combs. It's snug. It's not going anywhere. And I just feel like a benefit of rocking wigs with bangs, you literally don't have to do anything with no baby hairs, okay? Nothing with no baby hairs. You don't have to worry about it. It is just very much put it on your head, twist it where you need it, and walk out the door. I love that. And I will say they did such a good job cutting the bangs, because usually I always have to go back and cut it and just make sure that it's perfect to fit for my head. I didn't have to do that at all. I feel like they did a really, really nice job with the cut. I think they did a good job with the coloring. The hair feels extremely soft. I really don't have much to say. You know what? I would have really loved for it to have like a darker brown in the roots and then went to this color. I would have loved that. I would if I'm gonna nitpick, that's what I would say. I would have loved it to have a dark root, but I feel like this is really, really freaking cute. So yeah, so that's about it. This is going to be a very quick video because it's very self-explanatory, okay? Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.
I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you. And baby, even all the worst nights, I'm into you, baby. And